Hello friends, I am Ishant. Welcome to my channel BCM. So in this tutorial we will learn about anchor tag. Friends, before also I have made an tutorial of anchor tag, but it was the part 1 of anchor tag in which I have told how to link a file in the website. So this tutorial is the part 2 of anchor tag in which we will learn how to link a image to the browser. So friends, let's begin with the tutorial. Friends, you can see I have opened a folder in which I have created 3 HTML documents and a folder named as images. And in images folder, I have 2 images which we will link to the website. So now let's write the code in the document. Friends, you can see I have opened HTML document on my left side and web browser on my right side. First, I will write anchor tag in the document. And in anchor tag, we will write href attribute. And in href attribute, we will write the address of the images that we want to link to the document. So I will write here the name of the folder, that is images, and then give a slash and write the name of the image with a dot and the extension of the image, that is .jpg. I will write lion between the anchor tag, and now when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see the lion written on the web browser. So when we click on it, it takes us to the image that we linked to the document. So now let's link another image to the document. Again I will give anchor tag in the document, and in href tag I will write the address of the image, means the name of the folder slash the name of the image dot its extension. I will write room in the anchor tag. So now when we save it and refresh the browser, you can see room word written in the browser. So now when you click on room, it takes us to the image that we have linked to the browser. I will write br tag in the document to take room word below the lion word. Friends, you can also link external website in the browser by using anchor tag. Just you have to write the full address of the external website in the href tag. So I will write anchor tag in the document, and in href tag I will write the address of the external website that I want to link to the document. So I will write here https colon double slash www the name of the website.com. I have linked the website of Google, so I will write Google in the anchor tag. So when we save it and refresh the browser, you can see Google written here on the web browser. So now I will link another external website, that is of Instagram. So I will write https colon double slash www.instagram.com. I will write Instagram between the anchor tag. So when I save it and refresh the browser, you can see Instagram written here. I will write br tag to take Instagram below Google. So now when I save it and refresh the browser and click on Google, it will take me to the official website of Google. And when I click on Instagram, it will take me to the official website of Instagram. Friends, if you want to move to external websites from your browser, you need the connection of internet, because it is an external website and is not saved in your computer. So friends, this was the part 2 of anchor tag. This much for today. If you liked the video, hit the like button, share the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in next tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.